everybody? I should probably turn this down. This is my favorite song. What's up, everybody? It's your girl Just Sang, and today we're going on a little trip. I want to start a new segment called, don't know what I'm going to call it yet, but I'm going to go to a couple of places, and when I come up with the idea of the name, I'll get back to you. But let's go ahead. We're going to go ahead and stop by Goodwill. Then I'm going to go to Walmart to do my regular grocery shopping. See ya in a little bit. Here's the loot. Picked up a couple of items. A lot of items. About to get changed. This is so fun. So here are the garments that I decided to get. Just these mom jeans. Got this watch. This velvet v-neck shirt from New York & Company. And then I was indecisive as to what shirt to get, so I then got this. This is a male blouse or a male button-up, and it has like digital, I don't know what you call those, but the print is amazing to me. So these are, and also I got these. And I know you all are like, what is she going to do with this? I'm gonna create a nice outfit for you guys. So we'll see. We'll see. Alright guys, so this is my Goodwill Fix Up.